welcome back to the channel, guys. So in today's video, I'll be testing out for the first time ever on the channel an RC desert buggy. Now, I've been wanting to bring some other RC related stuff to the channel besides drones for some time now, just to, switch it up a bit. And because some of these RC products out there in the market are pretty cool, and I'm sure some of you out there would agree with me. Anyway, before I dive into this video, I just want to remind you again that this is my first time reviewing an RC car. So if I do make any errors in pronouncing or naming a part wrong, please feel free to correct me by leaving a comment below. Alright, so what we have here is the Eachine EAT-04 Desert Eagle. It's a 4-wheel drive, and it comes in two versions. One that has brushed motors, and another version that comes with brushless motors, which is the one that I have right here. So let me take it out of the box and show you guys what's inside. This is everything that comes with it, all laid out. You get the EAT-04 itself, along with an extra tire that goes mounted on the top rear. It also comes with a 7.4 volt 1500 milliamp battery that's already inserted in the back, the remote controller, the battery charger with a balance lead, a quick start sheet, the manual, a sheet with some decorative stickers, a small bag containing a mini cross wrench, 2 replacement gears, 2 small hex keys, 2 pin clips, and 2 keys that are for unlocking the high-speed control on the remote. You also get another small bag with some axle extenders, some rubber O-rings, screws, and long cylindrical spacers. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the desert buggy here. It has a metal body on the top, which is also removable by taking out a few screws, so you can easily access the inside and replace any parts or do any upgrades to it. Over here is the battery holder, and to remove the battery you just need to pull out this pin clip, and then you can remove the part that holds the battery in place. Over here, if you notice, inside the cockpit is an on and off switch, and they made it to look like a nitrous activator, which is a pretty cool detail. On the front is what they call a double wishbone suspension, and on the back it has a solid rear axle. On the inside of the front is what they call laid down shocks, and as you can see, the suspension on it is pretty bouncy, so it'll be able to absorb a lot of ground impact when performing high jumps or any off-road tricks with it. The wheels are obviously rubber and are specifically designed for rough outdoor terrain. The remote controller has a hand grip design, which is pretty basic and standard for all RC cars. It does require 4 AA batteries that are not included. The steering wheel can be switched from left to right to give you the option to steer in either left-handed or right-handed. The small switch here on the top is for activating the left and right steering function. Over here you have a keyhole ignition to change it from beginner mode to high-speed mode by using the provided key tool. On the other side you have the on and off switch, 2 turning knobs for adjusting the steering range and trimming, and on the bottom of that is another switch that reads 50% and 70%, and to my understanding it's basically to control the throttle on the trigger. The remote controller has a transmission frequency of 2.4 gigahertz, but I'm not sure what's the max range that it has. Anyway, that's all the basics for you guys. Now let's go ahead and take it out for a run and test it out. So there you have it, guys, the Eachine EAT-04 Desert Eagle Buggy. I do have to honestly say that this thing is a lot of fun. It's very easy to operate and control, and the transmission range is not bad at all. I definitely recommend it for those beginners who want to get a taste of what the RC hobby is really about. And yeah, I left the link below in the video description to where you guys can buy it for those of you out there who might be interested. Anyway, that's all for this video, guys. Thanks again for watching, and please don't forget to hit that like button on the side. Also, if you're new to the channel, feel free to click on that subscribe button, and make sure you hit that notify bell too, so that you'll know when I upload a new video onto the channel. You all have a nice one, and I'll catch you on the next one.